Good morning, people, and welcome back to my channel. It's China Doll. So today is going to be a very exciting travel day. I'm going to be bringing my mommy. We're going to be a mother-daughter trip, so we're going to Costa Rica for the very first time. I'm super excited. This is like her late Mother's Day gift, because on the official Mother's Day, you know, she was working. So I figured we can just do a little quick family trip and head somewhere we've never been before. We haven't been on a mother-daughter trip in years. I think 2018 was the last time we went to Hong Kong. So now we're at Orlando International Airport, and we're gonna head from here to San Jose Airport in Costa Rica. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me, so let's go. It is also a holiday, it's Memorial Day weekend, and the standard line is between 25 to 29 minutes. Luckily, I have TSA pre-check, so no wait for me. So it's so worth it, guys. If you travel a lot like I do, I definitely recommend getting it, because if you only wait a few minutes, it's 85 bucks for 5 years, and it's totally worth it. All right, just got through security. Now about to go board the train, or they call it here the people mover. I call it like a monorail, you know, because of Disney, but like literally took a whooping of 5 minutes to go through security. So I'm gonna get to my gate right now, probably grab some Starbies, because for me it's early. So alright, so waited about probably 30 minutes to get my coffee, but you know, I always gotta get my coffee fix when I'm traveling, especially it's like convenient at the airport. The only thing is, I wish they were doing mobile ordering. So I had got the venti pink drink from Starbucks. Now waiting at our gate actually got changed like about 3 times, but it should be boarding maybe about 30 minutes or so, because the flight's gonna leave in about an hour. Yeah, so it's about like a 3-hour flight. The only time difference with them is about, they're 2 hours behind us, but I'm super excited. Mommy, are you ready? She's always snacking in the airport. I swear she eats more than me. I think that's where I get it from, you know, being a foodie. But I'm very excited to try the local food and explore the country. I love going to like places I've never been before, so I'm bringing you guys along. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, if you guys are coming to the Orlando International Airport anytime soon, they had dropped the mask mandate, so it's no longer like required, which is nice. So when you're in the airport or you're on the plane, you don't have to. You can still wear it if you want, but I just choose not to. But yes, oh yeah, and they're gonna be having a new terminal. I can't wait till Terminal C opens, because I think JetBlue will probably be the first airline to be in the new terminal. They're gonna have a new like bunch of new restaurants and stuff like that. But it opens September of 22 this year, so I'm really excited for whenever I go on my next trip and I get to show you guys the new terminal. Hey guys, now we're about to board on the plane. I'm so excited. Finally going to Costa Rica. Woo! Hi, how are you? Okay, so we finally made it to our seats. We are on JetBlue A320, and something new they added on here. You can connect your phone as a remote whenever we take off, and you can just use the entertainment system and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. That's something new. And if you need to charge your phone, they do have a USB charger on the bottom. It's all touchscreen, so that's pretty nice. Guys, I forgot to show you at the bottom of the plane, they do have like 2 more charging ports. So they have one USB on top, and then you can plug one. So there's 3 chargers there, which is pretty cool. But I always bring like my own personal Anchor power bank, just in case, because sometimes you never know, the plane might not even have charging ports that actually work, but you never know. I've never been before. I like to try local food, so we'll see what we're gonna head to. I hired this tour guide, and he has some recommendation. He said about an hour into the drive we're gonna go somewhere, so we'll take his recommendation and get some local Costa Rican cuisine. decided to stop somewhere along the way. I think it's called, I don't know, some restaurant, some local food. I told him I just want some local Costa Rican cuisine. He recommended this by the bridge, and then we're gonna see a bunch of crocs over here. Oh my goodness. So there, it's like a buffet style, and you just choose basically whatever you want over here, and then you pay at the end. All right guys, so I had got the white rice, this is plantains, this is yuca, chicken, and then over here I had to get empanada. Mommy over here got yellow rice, chicken, and what's this stuff?
Salad.
And salad, but I don't even know what empanada she gave me. I told her just give me whatever. So this is one big, it's like literally bigger than my head, so. Boom. This has like cheese and beef in it, and it's really good. I see how this chicken and those stuff those taste. It's good, but really spicy. And then this is the yuca. Local street food. Oh my gosh, this is pretty cool. While you're eating lunch, you get a view of the mountains and the bridge, and they said there's alligators under there. So I'm gonna go check that out, walk over there and see what he's talking about. So when I first came in, I didn't know the name of the restaurant was called Mi Rancho Los Crocodilos. And the reason why, like I was telling you, because there's crocodiles on the bridge here, and they have a restaurant like right there where the crocodiles is. So all right, so my tour guide Agarillo, I think that's how you say his name, told me I gotta walk down this bridge. So I'm gonna be going down here right now, and then when we get down here, he says you will see a whole bunch of crocodiles in the water over there, and it's like this long river. I can see some from in a distance, so when I get close I'm gonna show you guys. Sometimes being here in Costa Rica reminds me of Jamaica because of the mountains and like the windy roads and things. But oh my gosh, you guys, I feel like I'm at Gatorland. This is crazy. I've seen them up close live. Whoa, oh my goodness, check this out. Whoa, you see that? Let me go a little bit closer. You can have the guys have a better view. But they're just all hanging out right there, like probably 1, 2, 3, 5 of them. That's crazy. Now I see why they call this crocodile. So we made a quick stop. Right now we're currently in Jackal Beach. As you can see, the ocean is in here. The waves is going against the rocks, and you can see a bunch of mountains. The view is gorgeous from here. There's a little stand right there, and I think you can buy some snacks and stuff. But wow, this is so pretty. My mom is just, she likes wants to have a photo shoot then. Okay, we just arrived into Manuel Antonio. So the hotel that I'm checking in is called Gaia, and I didn't know when you check into the hotel they're gonna give you a golf cart and take you up to the room. I've never had this service before. This is crazy. So we're like in the rainforest right now, and I think this is rainy season because like the whole trip has been like raining on and off. But like this is the first area when you check in of the hotel, and I guess our golf cart is gonna be coming in just a few minutes. So basically just like how the same guest went there, that's gonna be us next. Okay, so he backed up and showed us that's where the gym is, and now we're heading up, I guess, to the room.
Over here is the security area. If you're going to the beach or if you're going to make some tour, you can get towels there.
Oh.
The golf car service will be able to 24 hours of the day. Also inside of the tent, we have a conservation area. This is the entrance. It's in my left. This is the entrance.
Okay.
It's for the alone. All the local gives a guide all the afternoons at 3:30 to make a free tour. Inside of the conservation area, we have a program where we reproduce these cats. So we reproduce them, and next we let them free in the wildlife. So you are welcome to
be 11 for, and dinner will be 5 to 10. Okay, we have happy hour, what is a 24% discount on selected drinks. Okay?
So this is the main dining room that we can go for lunch and dinner, and it's so crazy because you have a view right here from your restaurant at the hotel. This is so cool. So after we checked in, we were greeted with this one drink. It's passion fruit and what did you say was in it?
Pineapple,
papaya, passion fruit.
Watermelon.
I can't remember so many fruits, but it's really good.
So right here is where you pick the golf cart to the parking lot. All the activities start down below. You press here, don't be scared. We are allowed to see you by the camera and talk to you by the mic.
Oh, okay.
The driver will be here like in 2 or 3 minutes.
So Jose is showing us around tour around the hotel, and this is the first level of the first pool. Oh wow!
With different decks. Right there is the first deck. If you want to go there, just go through the corner. You can set up there. You can have some lunch here and some drinks.
Wow!
This is like a wet bar over here, and you can have some drinks over here. The barman will be here from 11 a.m. until 5 p.m. Okay. Popular in the Costa Rican kitchens is oregano.
Oh yeah, smells good. Yeah.
Wow, that does smell really good.
Yeah.
Oregano. This. Wow.
So right here is the third level and the fourth level. So when you are in Costa Rica, just pay attention to those trees, that ones, okay?
Oh.
That is a guarumo tree.
Yeah.
All the slots really like to eat those leaves. Okay. We have an ice machine here working 24 hours. And over here we have a shower down there, okay?
So this is gonna be the room tour. We just got in, and Jose is gonna show us around. Go give us a room tour.
Oh yeah. So right here you have some information of the property and then the keys, okay?
Okay.
So as you see, you have the fridge there. The fridge is empty, so you can bring your own drinks and snacks.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay, right here you have complimentary tea and coffee over here. If you don't like this tea, just let me know. I'm just going to send more from the restaurant. Okay? You have TV with Netflix and different channels. You have a small bed over here. The calls are included for the international.
The what?
The calls, the phone is included for the international calls. Use dial 803.
But we have to pay for it.
No, it's included.
He says included. You didn't hear me?
You have hair dryer, the towels.
Okay.
Okay. You have two towels, the small one, the medium size, and the big ones over here. Okay.
Oh wow, that's a nice big shower. I like it. It's huge.
So right here, let me show you. Okay. When it's in this position, works these ones. Okay.
Oh.
When it's on the left side, works this one. When it's down, works this, and then on the right side, this one. Okay.
Oh wow.
If you want some hot water, use on the left side and up to you.
Okay.
You see it? The right side, cold water, and up to you.
You guys, I didn't know what this was. Honestly, I thought it was like a laundry room or just some random room that goes into another person's bedroom, like another combined joint room. But look, it's a walk-in closet, you guys. It's huge. They got extra pillows on the top, a safe. What's this? Oh, I guess you can put do laundry. But yeah, lots of storage space to put all your clothes and stuff. This is really neat. So this hotel also does offer complimentary breakfast from 7 a.m. to 10. If you do want room service, I think that was the extra $10 charge. If you guys are wondering, you do need to get a negative COVID test done 1 day prior before you go back home. So Jose at the front desk was able to set that up for me. He said that somebody will come to the room and do the test and you get your results the next day. So that is very convenient, but they do have a charge. So they charge about $70 US per person to get the COVID test done. Just wanted to say thank you to Jose. Gracias, muchas gracias for everything from the tour and explaining all the stuff around the resort and activities and the lunch menu. And it's so convenient to be able to text you like whenever I need something or I have a question or like you helped me set up the COVID test. Like it was so convenient. So that's like this, like I said, the service at this hotel, oh my gosh, it's like amazing. All right, that's gonna end the resort and room tour here at Gaia. It has been amazing. Like from when you check in, like I said, they escort you in a golf cart, give you a tour around the whole property. The room is so bougie and fancy. I just love it. You know, guys, bathrooms is my favorite part of a hotel. I really love the shower head. That's so cool. And then of course the 2 pools with amazing view, even the view from the restaurant, like views everywhere. And then if you look closely, maybe I might catch some wildlife because the Jose, the guy that checked us in, he said there's sloths hanging on the trees and stuff. I just didn't film it because it was so far away, it was hard to see, but that was really cool. The customer service here have been great. The coffee, tea, and water bottle is complimentary. You know how most hotels, they charge you for all that. And then I like how we even can use the phone for complimentary international calls and free Wi-Fi. You get free access to the beach. They'll take you in the golf cart. And like, I don't know, this has been like 5-star quality so far. But this whole trip has been amazing from the moment I got to Costa Rica. Then when I arrived, and then the transportation, Agrillo, I think that's his name. He was really nice. I like how we had different stops along the way for lunch, to stop to see the crocodiles, basically wherever you want to stop to take pictures, to see the Jackal Beach. And then, I mean, the ride was long, but I do like how inside that service you do get like Wi-Fi too. But overall, I hope you guys enjoy this first day here, going from Orlando to Costa Rica. There's going to be more videos to come. I just don't want to put it all together because this video is going to end up being really, really long. I hope you enjoyed this first travel vlog. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next adventure. Bye.